Here we got the unique off-grid appliance we're gonna throw it in our bus. It's not really made for RVs, but we're gonna do it anyway. It's only $2,000, so what the hell?
Oh, this is a DC refrigerator.
Yeah, DC. This is the official unboxing. Probably help if I did a single strand. And she runs off solar power.
Oh, it's a solar off grid. Oh, off grid.
Yeah. And
I bet they don't give
13 cubic inch, I think.
Bet they don't give those away.
No, they're a couple thousand. Or this one or something like that. I can't remember. I don't know how to open it.
I guess I gotta shut off the camera.
Yeah.
I'll help you open it.